as you're looking to combine these fractions, you need to factor the denominators completely. So first step is to find the binomial factors for each of these. In each case, the leading coefficient is a 1. In this first fraction's denominator, you need to find two factors of -2 whose sum is a -1. So a -2 and a +1. And in the second fraction's denominator, again, you have binomials. The first terms are x's. The second terms have to be the two factors of +6 whose sum is a -5. So since the product is positive, we know the signs are the same. Since the sum is negative, that same sign has to be negative. And then the two factors of 6 with that sum of -5 is a -3 and -2. Okay, so once we establish the factors, we can now combine this into one single fraction. We know we need a factor of x minus 2 and a factor of x plus 1. We also need a factor of x minus 3 and x minus 2, which we already have. So you don't need to repeat a factor. So here's our LCD. And so the final step here to combine this into a single fraction is take the numerator of your original fraction and multiply that by whatever LCD factor is missing from this denominator. So this denominator has the x minus 2 and the x plus 1. It's missing the x minus 3. Minus the next fraction's numerator times the LCD factor missing from its denominator. It has the x minus 3 and the x minus 2. It's missing the x plus 1. Okay, so the final step here is to simplify your numerator. So when I distribute my 1 through, I just get x minus 3. Distribute my negative x, I get a negative x squared minus an x. Combine down the like terms, negative x squared minus 3. Okay, and then that's my numerator. My denominator is just going to stay exactly what it was. Okay, there are no factors that cancel. Okay, so you can leave it in this form. There's no factors were removed from the denominator, so you don't need to identify any domain restrictions either.